Hi, I'm Rene. I'm an interior designer from RF Designs based in Durban. We saw the adverts on Instagram actually, and we decided to enter because we thought it would be a good opportunity for us to come through to Cape Town and expose ourselves and showcase what we can do. We're inspired by earthly tones, so the use of the natural woods that you see that will come through, and then the earthy finishes of that rusty sort of color that you pick it up in the stone, as well as the curves. It was amazing. It was really good working with them. They really assisted us throughout the process. If we had any questions, they were so good with responding and getting back to us and assisting us with the products, how to use them, the sizes of our cutting lists and boards and everything that we needed to manufacture the products. They assisted us immensely. The stone guys came through. They showed us samples of what they had. They were also really easy to work with. And yeah, we really enjoyed working with them. And I think going forward, we're definitely going to be doing a lot more business with them as well. So with the products, it's so user-friendly. Even with the design process of selecting the items, we found it very easy to use their websites and use the tools that they have for us to do the design. So when it comes to the user-friendliness, I mean, the opening mechanisms of the drawers, the pocket system of the doors, where you can actually conceal the doors within the cavity of the cupboard, and those will pull out and close forward. There's so many systems that are so user-friendly to designers, to, if you're going to be using it in your kitchen, in your garage, whatever the use is for the product, it works in many ways. I've never worked with Blum before. Never ever. I'm embarrassed to say so. But now that I have worked with them, I'm so impressed with the quality of their hinges and with the quality of their products that I'm definitely going to use them going forward. The training was awesome. I learned so much. I wish we had did the training before the actual competition. Training really helped us to understand the products better. Going forward, when we're utilizing their products, it's going to be a lot more seamless for us to utilize their products. Going forward, we're definitely looking into actually fabricating and manufacturing the cupboards ourselves, not just a design team, but a turnkey company where you can come to us, we'll do the concept and we'll do the creation. And Blum has really made that easy for us as well with the training and explaining how their products work. So yeah, that's been incredible. As I mentioned, we are interior design company, but we also do installations, and my husband with Kanisile Contracting, he handles that side of things. So we will literally do the design and then send it over to him for costings and then installation. So I found the competition on Instagram and I pitched it to the staff members, and it was Rodney's idea to actually battle it out between the two companies in the office. So we split up into teams of four.
Teams of three. Yeah.
Rodney was obviously head designer of his company, and I was obviously head designer of my company. We came up with the concept, and was obviously very different, the design, and we ended up winning in the end. But it was so nice in the company to be, having a competition internally. We obviously helped each other out where we could. But it was very much in the beginning, oh, don't look at my stuff, it was really, really, really like
I think the whole process and understanding behind of it was to encourage the teams. We've got a young stable of designers with us, and we had just come off a big project in Cape Town.
Yeah.
We just completed a big project in Cape Town, which was last year, September till November. And I could see that the morale was a bit down, so we wanted to add something a bit exciting. So the suggestion was, why don't we look at in the new year, entering a few competitions, so they can showcase, their flair, how well they come up with the details that they're doing. And because we are two companies that are closely linked, became an internal competition, of which I still feel that we won. I feel that we won, and the reason why we were not given the stand is because RF Design is an interior design company. It's in the name.
Yeah.
It's in the name.
Yeah. So let us do our job and you do your
But be it
job.
as it may, we won in a whole.
Yeah.
Everyone won. The team has been here from Sunday. There's about 8 of us.
Yeah.
8 guys. They've been working hard, and they should be very proud of what they've come up with. So this was super amazing.